Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to create your talking avatar in CapCut. All right, let's begin. Start by opening CapCut on mobile or web, then create a new project and set the aspect ratio to 9:16 for vertical content. This ensures your avatar fits perfectly on platforms like TikTok, Reels, and Shorts. Inside the project, go to the Elements section, find AI avatars, and tap View All to explore available styles. Choose an avatar that matches your tone and audience, whether professional or casual, and add it to your canvas. Next, write or paste a clear and concise script using short sentences for natural delivery. Use proper punctuation to create pauses and review the script for clarity. Customize your avatar by adjusting background, voice, lighting, and animations. Once satisfied with the settings, click Apply to generate your talking avatar with your selected style and voice. That's it for this video. Thanks.